This video introduces the FA-1616 video input block. Select the signal to be passed to the input selection block from the SDI input terminals. Select Input from SDI Input Select on the menu bar, or Block A/B SDI Input Select from the processor block on the screen. Once in the SDI Input Select menu, the tabs at the top allow you to switch between Block A and Block B. Use the pull-down in the center of the screen to select the signal to be passed to each block. The right side of the pull-down menu displays the status of the selected signal terminal, including signal loss and 4K signal subimage. Please refer to this table for information on what status is displayed. Next, set the signal to be passed to the processor block. Click Input Select or Block A/B Input Select on the menu bar. In the Block Selection tab, switch between Block A and Block B. Select Block C for output with audio option. In Source Signal Status, you can check the status of each source signal. Here you can select a signal to the processor unit and display the status of the currently selected signal. Use the drop-down list to set the signal to be passed from the source signal to the processor unit. Please refer to this table for source signal selection. Settings differ in 2K mode and 4K mode. There are 4 processor units called PRU for each processor block, and each PRU can handle 4 2K signals and 1 4K signals. Signals 1 to 4 input to the PRU are called lane A to D when using 2K. Lane S signal is used for format detection in the PRU. The 4 signals of lane A to D handled by each PRU must have the same format. Please refer to this example for the signal selection screen in 2K mode and 4K mode. The status of each PRU displays the operating format of the processor unit based on the results of signal selection.